Hey there, microwave users and kitchen enthusiasts. I've got something exciting to share with you today. If you're tired of struggling to clean the crud and grime from your microwave, then you need to pay attention to this game-changing product. Introducing the Angry Mom Microwave Cleaner, also known as the Mad Mama Microwave Steam Cleaner. This incredible little gadget is designed to make your life easier and your microwave sparkling clean in just minutes. Just add vinegar and water and let Angry Mama do the rest. Not only does this steam microwave oven cleaner save you time and effort, but it's also made of durable environmental protection PP material, ensuring that it's safe for you and your family. You won't need to use any dangerous chemicals or stain removers, making it an eco-friendly and safe cleaning solution for your home. The smart design of the holes on Angry Mama's head allows steam to come out and soften the microwave dirt and stains, making the cleaning process a breeze. In just 5-7 minutes of microwaving, Angry Mama cuts microwave cleaning time in less than half, giving you more time to enjoy your freshly cleaned microwave. And if you're worried about harmful substances, don't be. The Mad Mama Microwave Cleaner will not release any harmful substances at high temperatures, and you can even add a little lemon liquid to increase the aroma during the cleaning process. But wait, there's more. Angry Mama is also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, and its cute and clever design makes it a perfect gift for any occasion. Whether it's for your home or office kitchen, Angry Mom will be a welcome addition that brings a bit of fun to your cleaning routine. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to tough microwave cleaning and hello to a clean and fun solution, make sure to grab your Angry Mom Microwave Cleaner today by clicking the link in the description. Your microwave and your sanity will thank you for it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more kitchen hacks and product reviews. Thanks for watching.